Hi, in this video lecture, we're going to understand the output of this particular program. This program has two lists and we are using an append method where we are passing a list. Later on, we are trying to modify the elements of the second list. So we would like to observe any changes done on second list after the append. Will it also have an impact on the first list A or not? So let's try to visualize this. Now you can just observe the statement number one. The first statement will create a list of three elements with the values 1, 2, 3. The second statement will create another list with the values 4, 5, 6. Now here we are basically using an append, not an extend. So append will take one element and it will add as one element to this list here. So the B, so B has a list. So the list of three elements will be added as one element into A. But the question out here is, will it add as a like 4, 5, 6 as a new entry here, or will it just have a reference here referred to this B? So you can just observe this. What it did is the fourth entry was a reference which referred to the same list which is referred by B. So now, since this B and this fourth entry of this A is referring to the same block, any changes done on B will also have an impact on A if you access the fourth element. Now, you can just observe here, this value is changed to 8. So if I try to print the value of A, it's going to print totally 4 elements. The first three elements are 1, 2, 3. The fourth element is a list of three elements with the values 8, 5, and 6. So I hope things are clear with this. Thank you.